Hey.
Hi everybody! Welcome to the Art Club. My name is Michelle. I'm here with my two great sons, Titus.
Great grandsons. What? Mom.
Titus.
Hi.
And Hunter. We are currently trying to 3D carve pumpkins. I know that maybe you've seen some of these amazing 3D pumpkin carvings. I know I have, and I'm just always like blown away. And I've tried one before, and I put it on the Art Club, I think, on Facebook probably. But I want to try again, and I want to try to do my very best this time. And Titus and Hunter are also going to try this. So we're not actually going to carve out the middle of the pumpkins. We're just going to be like carving on the outside to try to make a 3D design. I'm going to do a face. Titus, what are you doing?
Mario.
You're going to do Mario. Big surprise there. Hunter's going to do
Game Boy.
a Game Boy. So he's carving an object. So you can carve anything you want. And we have these tools that have little rings and shapes on them. So that's going to help with the tiny details. But we also have this bigger one.
And this slightly bigger one.
Oh yeah, this medium-sized one. I'm sorry about the focus, guys. So we have these ones. And we have knives. But this is where we have to be really careful, right? Hunter's using a cool knife. This is a knife, but it's a circle. It's not as easy to cut yourself. You can cut yourself, but it's not as easy as cutting yourself with.
It's even impossible to cut myself.
Ah.
You could cut yourself with it, but it's not as easy as a razor blade. So, just keep that in mind if you want to give this a try. Also, you can get the assistance of an adult if you need. Anyways, we're gonna get to it. Ready, guys?
Yes.
Yep.
Let's try.
I kind of want to do something else now.
You can do whatever you want. I don't know who this is, but this is sort of the face I'm gonna try.
This looks like such a good cave.
So from what I can tell, once you get the initial skin off, then it's a lot easier and funner. But this is the tough part. And I ended up using this thing. And the worst part about it was that I kept slamming my hand into the table every time it would come down. But other than that, it worked pretty good. So like if you have this kind of a cheese peeler, cheese cutter, then you might be in luck. So this is the progress that I've made so far. And I did go through where the eye is, and I did that on purpose because I was planning to put some white potato inside, because that's what I saw on a tutorial online. And I'm gonna try to glue them in place using super glue, but it's hard because I don't have the same tools that the guy had. But anyway, I'm gonna see what I can do.
Oh! That's like an alien.
If I can get my hand in here. Oh, that's gonna be gross.
What'd you do?
I have to put my hand inside to get the. Oh no.
Whoa!
Bigger.
Or I could put my hand in there.
No, because I have to glue stuff.
Where's the hole? That square. Where is it?
Hmm?
Where's the square?
What do you mean the square?
The square.
Oh, I used it partially for the nose.
Whoa, really?
Mm-hmm.
How?
Super glue. The guy.
Cool.
That's what the guy online does, so that's what I did.
That's so awesome. Ah.
Roger, can you hand this to me? Roger,
It has to like really fit in there though.
can you hand this to me?
So I'm drying the inside of the eyes, just around the edges, because I'm going to use some of this crazy glue to glue my potatoes in there. But actually, I shouldn't be doing this yet, because before I do that, I need to put the colored part into the eyes. And I think I'll just use some of this pumpkin skin, because that's what the other guy did. I am carving out an indent for where the color part of the eye is gonna go.
What?
You got only a little less than half. Stop it.
So after a few hours, after a big mess, as you can see, this was the very best I could do for 3D pumpkin carving. And I think looking at it through the video, I could see that I kind of wish that the lines were even darker than they are. And I might make them a little bit darker, but anyways, I'm pretty happy with it, I guess. It's like my chubby little pumpkin dude. And also Titus did one. I don't think Hunter has finished his yet, so maybe I'll have to... Oh, what a mess. They got potatoes and glue. Gotta clean up. That's why I've got this garbage bag here, so I can hopefully just fold it all up in. So this is Titus's. Oh, and is it Mario or?
It's not Mario anymore.
It's not Mario anymore, but it looks like those vintage cartoons, like with those eyes, like Felix the cat used to have eyes kind of like that. So good. And I don't think Hunter got anything really. It's like looks like a dinosaur egg, like breaking open.
Looks like a dinosaur egg.
Anyways, whew, that's my 3D pumpkin carving, and it's really fun if you got the time to do it, and if you have some carving tools, kind of like these, it's something interesting. And oh, I didn't mention that I soaked these potato eyes in lemon juice and water, just to keep them from browning. So hopefully he won't be turning brown in the eyes. And yeah, hopefully he keeps for a little while. So if you watched this far and if you like this episode, then please subscribe to my channel. I make art videos all the time. And if you have any ideas of challenges or art that you think I should try, then drop me a line, drop me a comment, and I will give it a try. See you guys next time. I hope to see you guys next time right here on the Art Club. Click subscribe if you would like to be an Art Club member yourself. And don't forget to write to me, write comments. I love hearing from you guys. I love all your comments. And thank you for watching.